You're tired. But not just in your body. You're tired in your soul. You wake up already drained. You go through the motions. You smile, but you feel nothing. That's not just stress. That's emotional exhaustion. And if you've been feeling this way, please know, you're not alone. Let's talk about the signs. And more importantly, how to gently begin healing. Part 1. What is emotional exhaustion? Emotional exhaustion isn't laziness. It's not weakness. It's what happens when you carry too much. For too long. Without rest. It's when your brain is foggy, your heart feels numb, and your soul is screaming for silence. But life won't pause. You're not making it up. And you're not overreacting. You're just running on empty. Part 2. 10 signs you're emotionally exhausted. 1. You feel numb more than sad. You don't cry. You don't laugh. You just exist. 2. Small tasks feel impossible. Doing laundry? Replying to a message? Feels like climbing a mountain. 3. You isolate yourself. Not because you want to, but because you don't have the energy to explain. 4. You wake up tired. Sleep doesn't fix it. Rest doesn't restore it. 5. You're easily irritated. Every little thing sets you off. You hate it, but you can't stop it. 6. You forget things. Names. Appointments. Conversations. Your brain feels foggy. 7. You feel disconnected from yourself. You can't remember the last time you felt like you. 8. You fantasize about disappearing. Not dying, just vanishing. Turning it all off. Being left alone. 9. You can't feel joy, even in things you used to love. Music. Hobbies. People. Everything feels flat. 10. You feel like you're failing, even though you're doing your best, and that quiet guilt follows you everywhere. Let the weight settle. Part 3. Why this happens. You've been giving too much. To everyone. To work. To relationships. To expectations. But you forgot one person, you. You were never meant to carry this much, without being carried too. Part 4. What to do about it. You don't need a vacation. You need nourishment. Here's how you can start healing. 1. Acknowledge the exhaustion. Say it. I am tired. And I deserve to rest. 2. Reduce emotional noise. Unfollow people who drain you. Mute group chats. Say no without guilt. 3. Reclaim small moments of peace. Even 5 minutes in silence. A warm shower. Sitting in the sun. No phone. No expectations. Just breath. 4. Write it out. Journal. What am I carrying that isn't mine? Let it go, word by word. 5. Allow joy, without guilt. You're allowed to laugh. To do something silly. To feel light, even in heavy seasons. 6. Talk to someone. A therapist. A kind friend. Or even yourself, out loud. 7. Protect your energy like it's sacred. Because it is. You are not a machine. You are a soul. Part 5. The healing doesn't happen overnight without. There's no switch. No shortcut. But healing happens. Every time you choose yourself. Every time you listen to your body, say no without apology, or rest without guilt. You're telling yourself, I matter too. If this message spoke to you, comment, I'm healing my energy, below. And subscribe to Good Messages, because you deserve content that holds space for your heart. You're not lazy. You're just tired. And you're allowed to rest.